Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today another quickie. Alright, I'm going to show you how to make my air fryer zucchini chips. Really simple, really easy and healthy to do. Alright, first thing I've got is an egg. I'm just going to put that into a bowl, just like that. No rocket science to doing that. And all I'm going to do now is basically give that a nice whisk up using a fork. You've seen me do this before, of course, so I'm just going to make up a nice beaten egg like that, and I can set that aside. Here I've got about half a cup's worth of almond meal, really nice and healthy again, really easy to do, and I'm really surprised at the flavors you get out of this. 1 teaspoon of powdered garlic, and same again, 1 teaspoon's worth of onion powder. That goes in just like that. I'm also going to add in around about a teaspoon's worth of dried parsley. That can all go in, and I'm just going to salt this up using around about 2 teaspoons worth of finely grated Parmesan or Pecorino cheese. Alright, it's going to give it just a nice little bit of saltage. Add a little bit more if you want. I'll leave that up to you. Give all of that a good stir, mixy mix, just like that. Get all those flavors and all those ingredients combined. Now, if you've got lumps in the almond meal, just break that up using the back of the spoon, of course. And before you know it, our crumb will be done. Alright, here I've got some zucchini. I'm going to use I've got 4 zucchini. I'm probably only going to use about 2 of them, to be honest with you. I'm going to top and tail those, of course, just like that. I'm going to throw those away, put those in your compost heap, of course. And I'm going to cut these zucchini in half. They're not monsters, they've just got a nice little size to them. And all I'm going to do is cut those in half and start cutting these into nice little fry or wedges or chips, just like that. Right, not too big, not too small, just get that Goldilocks sort of size, so they're just right. And put those aside in the bowl and continue on with the rest of your zucchini. Now, if you end up with some zucchini left over, it actually works really good in a salad, and you can even put that into a pie if you want to. This is a nice healthy alternative to doing your potato chip fries or wedges, and when they're in season, they are the best. So I'm going to put some of my zucchini chips into the egg, just like that. And of course, with my MS and my left hand, if you're a long-term viewer or subscriber, you know what's going on. If this is the first time watching the channel, yes, I do have MS, and my left hand does what it wants to. It does not always cooperate. So I've got all of those coated in egg, just like that, and I'm going to put that into our almond meal mixture. Alright, it's going to give these a nice light dusting, nice light coat. We don't want it as thick as we would do a schnitzel or a parma or anything like that. So we're just going to put that straight into our meal, very simply, and try and drain some of the egg off. We want to try and keep these really nice and light. Right, so just give those a bit of a stir through with a spoon or a fork. If you want to get your hands in there, go for it. If you want to shake the bowl like I just did, go for it. I'm going to put these aside on a baking tray lined with a bit of baking paper, just to keep them nicely separated, basically, and ready to go. So when I'm ready to start cooking these chips, I'm not going to be flobbering about trying to get things out of that mixture and into the air fryer. Alright, so I'm going to do a couple of batches of these, just like that. Really simple to do, and if you haven't tried making zucchini chips before, it is so easy to do. Right, so I've lined the bottom of my air fryer with a little bit of baking paper. Arrange your zucchini chips just nicely, keep a little bit of space between them, and I'm going to cook those for around about 15 to 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius, and I'm going to turn these halfway through. So if you're doing them for 15 minutes, turn them about 7.5-ish minutes. If you're going to cook them all the way through at the 20-minute mark, turn them through at 10 minutes. And I always set a separate timer on the side, just so I can keep an eye on what is going on. Alright, that's our first 7 minutes. All I need to do now is give these a little bit of a turn, just like I'm doing right there, and the smell coming out of the air fryer already is amazing. And this air fryer is a new addition to the channel, and Look, I do love my deep fryer, but this air fryer does do things a little bit differently. It's pretty cool. Alright, so we're going to do this in a couple of batches, and before you know it, you're going to have your own air fryer zucchini chips. How good do they look? Serve that up with a little bit of chicken or steak or whatever. It doesn't matter. Anyway, love to see you try and make this one at home. It is really easy to do and really healthy. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell so you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. We are trying to get the name KP's Kingdom out there. Leave a comment. I love responding, and I do respond to all valid comments regardless, not the spam ones. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make something a little bit different when it is in season, just like this one, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to make my air fryer zucchini chips, and I will catch you next time. Bye.